Welcome back, everybody. Today is the day that some of us have been waiting for. This is day 7 of Project Bacon, homemade bacon. We got a 5.5 pound slab of pork belly, all natural pork belly from HEB. Found a recipe online, and in my recipe I've got salt, pepper, some garlic, some ghost pepper, and some other delicious stuff in there. So we're going to rinse this off, then I'm going to soak it in water for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and then we're going to put it out on the smoker after it dries up. So stay tuned if you want to see the finished product. Welcome back, everybody. Sorry I wasn't able to get this video done yesterday. We had some unexpected stuff pop up, which, you know, that's life. So today, got a very small fire in my firebox. Got some good clean smoke coming out. Now we're going to put this 5.5 pounds of pork belly on, give it a few hours of smoke, and come back in a few hours. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, I'm going to put this on my Gator Pit 24 by 48, so we'll see it in a few hours. Alright, guys, as you can see, we're basically maybe just outside temperature, less than 100 degrees. And always at the end of the smokestack, it's going to be a little bit hotter because that's where all the smoke's coming out. So if it gets too hot, I'll put an ice pan in there to bring the temperature down. So we'll see you then. So I want to show you my gauges right quick. We're barely even tipping, not even close to 100 degrees, and that's right by the firebox. A little bit warmer in the middle, and expected right here by the smokestack, maybe 110, 115. So let's take a look on the inside. Just from that little bit of wood in there, we're getting some good smoke. So I'm thinking here in a few hours, we'll pull this off and we'll have fresh bacon. Welcome back, people. Just want to show y'all what I've done so far, how I'm maintaining my fire. So I took about 6 briquettes of charcoal, and I was soaking some pecan wood overnight, and we got that just smoldering right there. So that's putting off a good amount of smoke. Alright, everybody, it's been about 5.5, 6 hours that we've been cold smoking. We've got good clean smoke coming out of the smokestack. On the temperatures, we're showing about 120, 125 on all 3 gauges. So let's open it up and take a look. There she is. Been about 5.5 hours cold smoking. Now we're going to take it inside. We're going to put it in a Ziploc bag, and it's got to sit in the fridge so the smoke can penetrate even better.